So it's been a little while for a couple of reasons. I've been at uni, I've been very busy, and I haven't had many ideas. Here we go. Me and my boyfriend are saving up to move into a flat together. I thought I would speak today about how we're saving up the money and how it could also help you save money for other things. First off, we started clearing out everything out of each other's rooms. You know, the whole Marie Kondo thing. And this led to us being able to start doing Carboots. Carboots are great to get rid of stuff if you want to make quick money and if you don't mind how much it goes for. It usually only costs about £5 and then you're let in for the whole day and you sell your stuff. I've never not made my money back from the ticket, but I am aware that that could be something that would happen. There are also other ways that you can get rid of this stuff, mostly online, such as the Facebook Marketplace. There's an app called Vinted that I've been using to sell old clothes. You don't have to pay anything, but you can pay to boost your page to sell the items quicker. You can also sell stuff on eBay. eBay does take a percentage of the price though. I think it's only something about £1 per item, but that is something to be aware of before doing it. And for DVDs, books, games, anything like that, there are sites such as Magpie which you can send your stuff off to. You go through your stuff, you scan them off, and they give you a price for all of it. You send them off to them, and then you get a bank transfer by the time it's arrived there and they've checked all of the items. As long as your items are all okay, they send the money over straight away. Obviously, because I'm a student, I have uni days and I have student beans. Most shops these days do have a student discount. I also have an NUS card, which also is accepted in most places. Another thing that I cannot stress is so good is when you go into a store and you're paying for something and they say, do you want to sign up for a store card? Always say yes, because it might take 5 minutes out of whatever you're doing, and if you're in a rush, I understand that you can't do it. But most of those cards get you 15% off your next shop, and that will always help you save money. Usually they give you points to go towards your next purchase, which then gives you money off. Another way that we've been saving money as a couple is we have invested in a Taste Card couples card. If you don't know what Taste Card is, it can get you money off most restaurants, gets you money off hotels, it gets you money off of days out. You pay £1 for a 3-month trial and then it's £30 for a whole year. And a whole year of getting half off of any dates is really helpful for us. The last way that I can think of right now that we've been saving money is I've been crafting a lot. So far what I've crafted is 2 cushions, a dream catcher, although that one is still unfinished, a small felt desk tidy, and 2 origami card boxes. I have set up an Instagram page revolving around my crafts, so I'll link it below if you want to see. And that's everything. I hope this video could help someone find out more ways to save money, and if there's anything else that you can think of, please comment them below. These are the ones that have come to my head when making this video, but I'm sure there are plenty more. Along the line of crafts, if you'd like to see how I made any of these pieces, or if you'd like to see more crafting videos, comment below. I'll leave the links to the sites that I've mentioned today in the description so that you can all check them out for yourself. I tried making a little list for today's video so that I wouldn't forget anything, but if I've missed anything out, I am very sorry. So I'll see you next time.